Hindi ako nanalo pero doon ko natagpuan ang sarili ko. May mga panahon sa buhay natin na akala natin tapos na. Pero yun pala, simula lang ng mas magandang kwento. In this episode, I'm sharing one of the most personal stories. Kung gaano ang pagkatalo sa isang college newscasting competition ang naging daan para madiskubre ko ang tunay kong purpose. Hindi ako nanalo. Pero doon ko nakita kung saan talaga ako tinatawag ni Lord. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Talks with Rox. Today, I want to bring you back to a moment in my life na sobrang sakit. Pero yun din ang nagbukas ng pinto para sa bagong simula. Back in college, sumali ako sa isang newscasting competition. Grabe ang effort ko. Nag-practice ako gabi-gabi. Nagbasa ng news. Halos hindi na ako natulog just to prepare. I gave it my very best. Pero, hindi ako nanalo. And that night, habang umiiyak ako, I prayed. Pero, hindi yung typical na tahimik at kalmadong prayer. That was the kind of prayer na puno ng tanong. Lord, ang unfair mo. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Bakit sila? Bakit hindi ako? Wala na ba akong talent? Hindi ako marunong kumanta kasi out of tune na ako. Hindi ako makasayaw kasi ang tigas ng katawan ko. So, wala na ba talaga akong talent? In that moment, sobrang sakit. I felt lost. I felt small. I started doubting kung meron pa ba talaga akong silbi sa mundo. But you know what's crazy? 3 months later, I got my first ever hosting job. A graduation ceremony. 2016. And my first ever talent fee was 300 pesos. And I said yes. Kahit kabado, kahit hindi ko pa alam kung kaya ko ba talaga. Pero nung nahawakan ko ang mic, parang may spark. Parang biglang tumahimik ang lahat. Tapos, ang narinig ko lang, eto ka. Dito ka bagay. And that was the beginning of everything. One hosting turned into 2, then 3, then more. And look at now. I will be celebrating my 10th year in the hosting industry in the next year. Birthdays, graduations, weddings, pageants, big time or small time events, every time I hold that microphone, parang sinasabi ni Lord, o diba, ito talagang para sa'yo. Alam mo, minsan, hindi talaga ibinibigay ni Lord yung gusto na. Kasi, may mas magandang plano siya. At the time of my heartbreak, akala ko katapusan na. Yun pala, simula lang. Hindi ako nanalo, pero doon ko nakita ang calling ko. Kaya kung ikaw, habang nakikinig ngayon, feeling mo hindi ka enough, na parang wala kang talent o lugar sa mundong to, let me remind you, you are not talentless. You are not hopeless. You are not lost. You are just in a season of becoming. At minsan, kailangan mo munang masaktan para maramdaman mo kung gaano ka kahalaga at kung saan ka talaga dapat ilagay nito. Thank you for being with me today. This story is a piece of my heart. And if you feel moved and inspired, please share this episode to someone who might need it too. Remember, hindi niya ibinigay noon kasi may mas maganda siyang nakalaan ngayon. This is Talks with Rox, and I'll always be grateful for that one note that led me to my biggest yes. Stay rooted, stay grateful. See you in the next episode.